Here they come. They're welcoming me home. I'm giving them grubs. Not grubs. What are these called? Mealworms. Oh, that black mamba got stuck on the other side. Whew. Okay, I'm back from my vacation. I have a bandana in my hair and I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it's there. Yes, I was gone for like 13 days. I was visiting my siblings in Utah. Shout out to them. Yeah, now I'm back and I'm cleaning the barn today because the farrier's coming and he can't know what state we live in. So we're gonna do that, and then yeah, that's my plans for today. I'll show you the babies now. Oh, also one more thing. Betty's missing, and the black mamba that was missing has returned after a month of being gone, so we're not sure what's happening. Okay, here they are, the big. So these are bantam Easter eggers. Ewok, that one is a rooster. A Wookiee. And then Jabba the Butt, who's actually a girl, so we've started calling her Jabina. We're not sure what we're going to do with her because she doesn't roost. She just sits on that little basket that needs to be cleaned. Oh, yeah? That's adorable. Kylo Hen, you getting so big. So we're not sure what we're going to do because they sleep up there on top of the... Everyone but Jabina, of course. Oh, wow. I feel like he needs to be taught some manners by some big ladies. Oh. And we're just not sure if Jabina's all the way there. Anyway, so these three, Kylo Hen, Wookiee, and Ewok. Excuse me. No! Thank you. Oh, big lady. Oh, dear. They sleep, sorry. Ewok, everyone but Jabina sleeps up here on this like board that goes across that holds up the fencing on top. And so, I don't know what we're going to do, how we're going to put them together. We'll figure it out. Anyway, that pen's getting cleaned. This pen's getting cleaned. Your pen's probably getting clean, and your pen's probably getting clean. And, wait for it. Your pen is getting cleaned, and your pen, and your pen. The only pen I'm not cleaning is the Bucks because there's just two of them in it, and it's a big area. It's a 12 by 12 stall. And who's in there? Who's that? Anyway. And it was just cleaned, and they go outside, and so it just doesn't get us dirty. I mean, it gets stinky because they're stinky, but it doesn't get us dirty. So now I'm gonna feed everyone. Okay, I finally have got the chores done. Letting the baby chicks out was a bad idea because I need to be able to go in and out of the barn, and they're wild things, and there's no getting them to go where you want. So I then had to get all the big chickens that immediately came into the barn to eat the baby chick food out of the barn, and then I had to get all the chicks back in their pen, and they're not happy, and it is so muggy. And it's gonna rain soon, and I have, let's see, 2.5 hours to clean every single stall. So the little boys are out. I'll show you where I've started. The little boys are out because a chicken jumped on the pail that had the feed in it and dumped it over, and I cleaned up what I could, but then they got to clean up the rest, which is where Crocodile is. Here's my first wheelbarrow. Boom. And they're just gonna run around. I'll see if they actually go outside or not, because they like to stick to the barn. Look who's following me. Oh. Look who's following me. Ooh, that's your daddy. Well, not yours. Come on, guys. We're going to go dump this. Are you going to come with me? Come on. Oh, no. He said we got new friends. They're hopefully going to go in with them one day when they're big enough. Oh, for a hot second, I couldn't find them, and they're over here. Hey, babies. You big babies, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here, babies. Buckies, come on. Bugs. Good boy. Come on, crocodile. You can do it. There you go. I had a hot second where I was like, oh, they're gone. They've run away. Crocodile, come on. Oh, yes. There you go, Parker. Crocodile, come on. Into the barn. Thank you. Okay, this is a quick before. Yucky roost. Will you please not get in the mud so I don't have to clean your feet before the farrier gets here? Please. We have a fan going, but we have Mooney all cleaned up, his feet all clean, ready for the farrier. He's just right out there. I don't know if I will film while he's here, but there he is. Boy. Got one foot done. One foot is being worked on. Look at these babies. Sleepy babies. Huh, Magic? No, he's trying to buy my watch. Mom, it's on your hand. About to go outside. Oh my. Nope, running. They're officially out with all the big girls. Look at, we're calling it, she's not a rooster, so Jabba won't work. So we're calling her Jabina. Don't ask me why. Are you gonna be nice, Frenchie? No, I'm a dinosaur. I've never been nice before. No, I'm a dinosaur. Look at her fluffy face. I think Jabina's ears are blue. Yeah, they're blue. Okay, I'm just sitting here feeding the chicks. And I cannot remember if I actually explained why we only have 4 now. The main reason is we got rid of 3 of the 3 steel eggers we had because they were velociraptors, and one of them was definitely a big giant mean rooster. And Jabba / Jabina, we're pretty sure she's a girl. was getting picked on really bad. So there just wasn't enough space for all of them. And then we just didn't like how their personalities were turning out. So that's how it goes on the farm. We were able to sell the Steel Agers because they're a rare breed. So, yeah, so now we still have Kylo Hen, Jabba / Jabina, and Ewok, who is a little tiny rooster, and Wookie, who's his girlfriend, over there. I put some on my shoe. I keep forgetting. I'm like, why is she pecking me? They make the cutest little noises, especially Jabina. The high-pitched one is her. It's very cute. Very cute.
Wow. Do we want you?
Their scratches.
She's just like, really? It's like, what's her pig?
Artie says, I want to get in your face too. Lauren, I want to get in your face too. I'm Artie. I am the one that makes you the most money.
The registered cuddly is. It's nice to be loved.
Leave my arms down. Okay. Zozo. This is Zozo.
She's doing so much better than she was beginning of the summer. You're doing so much better. Like her coat feels really nice and like shiny, and before it was like this coarse, dull. So I don't know what that was about.
Sweet feet. Hi, Scarlet. Hi, Scarlet.
Ooh, we got some good code groups. Oh, I got 2 hands. I'm so here.
There you go.
And Scarlet, I'm getting with my elbow.
That's awesome.
She's totally leaning on my elbow.
I want attention. I want attention. I'm the baby girl.
Okay, guys. I gotta go to bed. I gotta go to bed. You gotta go to bed. Okay?
The chicks have ventured out even farther. We've been cleaning buckets and stalls. Wow, look at how brave you guys are. Jabina, you better catch up. Okay, now they're all the way over here. This is where the chicken door is. Look how brave you guys are being. Chicken door's right there. I'm sorry, if I go over there, the other chickens follow me and bother them. Curses. It is a stormy, or it's a gloomy day. It's not stormy. What is today? Friday the 10th, I believe? And the girls are outside. Mom and I rode our bikes down. What, little mamba?
I don't know.
Bina, you big girl. Look at all the littles. That is one happy little rooster. Look at her, she's so cute.